Graduates, please be seated.
Now I request Professor Dr. Shabarati, Dean School of Digital and Cinematic Art, please present the graduates of Bachelor's Program for conferment of degrees.
All the candidates from School of Digital and Cinematic Arts, please rise. Honorable Prime Minister, I present candidates from School of Digital and Cinematic Arts for conferment of degree.
In the name of Allah, for the cause of Islam and Pakistan, and by virtue of the authority vested in me, I admit you to bachelor's degree in the respective disciplines of school. In token thereof, I present to you the degree and charge you that always in your life and conversation you do prove yourself worthy of the same. I authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of the degree.
All the graduates, please be seated. Thank you.
Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the graduates for bachelor's degrees who are not present and who have requested for the conferment of degrees in absentia may be admitted to degrees in absentia to which they are entitled.
In the name of Allah, for the cause of Islam and Pakistan, and by virtue of the authority vested in me, I admit them all in absentia to the degrees to which they are entitled.
Thank you, Prime Minister. That's all for conferment of degrees. Now I request Madam Farah Sadia to please come take over the rostrum for citation of honorary degree.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the successful graduates of IAC. And now I request the Chancellor, Institute for Art and Culture, Mr. Muhammad Faisal Janjua, and the Chief Guest of First Convocation of IAC, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Honorable Mr. Anwarul Haq Kakar, to please award the degree of PhD Honorary in Organizational Leadership to Honorable Mr. Syed Basar Shoaib. And I request Mr. Rashid Abdurrahman Al Ali, Charge d'Affaires, Embassy of UAE in Pakistan, to please come forward on his behalf. Today we honor His Excellency Mr. Syed Basar Shoaib, a distinguished business leader and visionary from the United Arab Emirates, as the Managing Director and CEO of International Holding Company. Mr. Shoaib has demonstrated exceptional administrative acumen, leading IHC to unprecedented growth and success. His leadership has not only resulted in IHC's inclusion in Forbes 2020 list of the Middle East's top 100 companies, but also transformed it into Middle East's most valuable listed holding company. Mr. Shoaib's commitment to excellence and his strategic vision has been instrumental in IHC's remarkable growth, with the company's valuation increasing from obscurity to a staggering $240 billion in just 4 years. His efforts has also led to significant employment opportunities, with over 104,000 employees currently working across 470 plus entities under his stewardship. Beyond his corporate achievements, Mr. Shoaib has also been a strong advocate for strengthening economic relations between the UAE and Pakistan, recognizing the potential for mutual growth and prosperity. In acknowledgement of his unique contributions in the global organization, enhancing social lives and nurturing economic development and growth, I present Mr. Syed Basar Shoaib to Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan for the award of an honorary doctorate degree. And I request the Honorable Prime Minister and the Chancellor IAC to please come forward and grant the honorary doctorate degree to Mr. Basar Shoaib. And I request Mr. Rashid Abdurrahman Al Ali, Charge d'Affaires, Embassy of UAE in Pakistan, to please receive the honorary PhD degree on behalf of Mr. Syed Basar Shoaib. Thank you, sir. Dear students, parents, and respected audience, Institute for Art and Culture aims to cultivate well-rounded individuals who not only excel in their academic pursuits but also develop essential life skills, leadership qualities, and spirit of innovation. And we are proud to announce the names of the gold medalists and Chancellor Award winners. And I request the accomplished high achievers of IAC to please receive their gold medals and Chancellor Award from the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan.
Ladies and gentlemen, gold medals are awarded to students who achieve the highest academic standing and show exemplary conduct and leadership both on and off campus. Today is a great day for those distinguished students and for their proud parents whose talent, hard work, and conduct is being acknowledged as they are honored with